Hi, I'm Taylor with Vegas After Dark, a fun Vegas travel, entertainment, and sports channel. Welcome. Today, I am going to be talking about one of the blockbuster movies that was just presented at CinemaCon 2026 at Caesar's Palace. 17 years after his rise to power, an older, war-weary Paul Atreides must navigate a galaxy-wide conspiracy and a direct challenge from Shawnee in Denis Villeneuve's action-packed conclusion, Dune, Part 3. Let's take a look.
What's happening?
I'm not afraid to die. But I must not die. Yet.
Wow, that trailer of Dune Part 3 was fantastic. I can't wait. Mark your calendar. Arrakis is calling. Will you answer? See you on Dunesday, December 18th.